How's it going, everybody? You're watching Daniel Tech, and today we have quite a special video because I'm gonna teach you how you can use a PlayStation 4 controller like this one or an Xbox One controller to play games on your iPhone or on your iPad. As you can see, you have to be running iOS 13, and as you probably know, iOS 13 is still on betas right now, so it's not on an official version just yet. Okay guys, so let's begin, and in this video I'm gonna use my iPad right here, as you guys can see, because the screen is larger and it's gonna be much better to show you through the video. And the best part is with iOS 13, this is natively supported. The controller is natively supported by iOS 13, so we don't need to download anything, we don't need to do any kind of hacks or bypass or anything like that. It's super easy. All you have to do is go to your settings, and then you're gonna go to your Bluetooth, and now you're just gonna connect it via Bluetooth normally. All you have to do is press on this share button, as you guys can see on the top left corner, share button plus PlayStation button. So we're gonna put our controller in pairing mode. Of course, this process is for the PlayStation 4 because I don't have an Xbox One controller right here. Okay, so press and hold on both for like 3 seconds. So I'm pressing and holding, and we're gonna see a slight blink, as you guys can see. So that's pairing mode. And if we have a look right here, we're gonna look at other devices, DualShock 4 wireless controller, and all you have to do is tap on it. It's gonna connect, and we're gonna see that it has connected because now we have this slightly red color right here, meaning it is actually connected and paired to my iPad. Keep in mind the process is exactly the same on an iPhone. It's just the same process. And now that we're all connected and ready, let me show you in action. So I'm gonna play my favorite game, my all-time favorite game in iOS, which is Real Racing. I just love this game. This is my favorite game by far. So let's go ahead and let's play a little bit. So as you guys can see on the menus already, you can see that the controller already works and it is 100% automatic. As you guys can see, I didn't actually need to do any setups or anything like that. It just recognizes the controller and it just works. So we can use our D-pad right here to go through menus and everything. We just have this little glove right here acting as our cursor. So it's very good because we just know where it is and we can actually use it to play. Okay, now let's actually play. So let's go to career right here. So it's just a normal X, and then Pro, this here, Supercar, and then I'm gonna select this Cup and my Carrera GT, and let's begin. We also have the option to change our controls. So I changed to, as you guys can see here, accelerate, brake, and steering. So accelerate is gonna be right here on right 2, and brake on L2, and steering of course on the analog stick. So let's go ahead and play right here. Not so clean racing, but it's all about winning, isn't it? So as you guys can see, it works perfectly. It's a normal PlayStation experience. You just get your controls, they just work perfect. The sensitivity is great, as if we're playing, as if we're playing a normal PlayStation 4 game. I just love it. Everything is just so good. Now the experience is just completely different, if you ask me, actually, because it is almost like we have a console right here with us, or working device, because my iPad is my computer, so it is my working machine. My working tool is actually a console right now that I can actually play very nice and awesome games. Keep in mind that as time goes by, we're gonna have more and more games compatible with controllers. So whoa, that's very bad. With normal controllers like this one with the PlayStation 4 and the Xbox One. Right now we don't have all the games compatible just yet, so this is one of the games that are compatible, very easy to set up. Actually, you don't have to set up at all, you just actually connect and play, and it just works perfectly. So that's why I selected this game to demonstrate today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button while I'm playing here and trying to go to first place. Also make sure to hit the comment section, tell me what you think about this video and everything else. So I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye bye.